Deal number 7. I got cocky here, guys, and paid for it. I bought this off-market deal with a friend and a partner, and we paid $49,000 for it. It was in Maple Hill. It was in a flood zone. I had a renovation budget for $125,000. It was a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, and I planned to turn it into a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Well, I made a lot of mistakes. One, I didn't verify that the county would approve the plans to turn it from a 3-1 into a 4-2, and later found out that because it was in a flood zone, that in order for me to change the floor plan that drastically, I was gonna have to bring the entire property up to code, which meant raising the entire house by about 3 feet. And I didn't find this out until I was about halfway through my renovation. So I'm really licking my wounds on this one. As of right now, this property is under contract to sell because it's been negatively cash flowing since we made these mistakes. And I'm paying for it. If you want to hear all about that, check out the story below. Again, this is the good, the bad, and the ugly, guys, not hiding things from you. I really want my first 10 deals to bring the lessons and the things you read about in the Brandon Turner and Bigger Pockets and Robert Kiyosaki Rich Dad books. I want to bring them to life for you to hopefully encourage and inspire you along this journey. God bless you guys, and look forward to connecting.